Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you again for stopping in with yours truly. I'm going to be doing a little hair tutorial today. So I haven't done too many of these, but this is honestly one of my favorite hairstyles, especially for summer and for the beach. It's honestly one of my absolute go-tos. So I thought it'd be nice if I just showed you a simple tutorial on how I create this look. But before I show you anything, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. That way you always see everything that I bring to you. So today we are going to be creating the front crown braid, where you take the braid from one side all the way over to the other side. As you can see, I've already curled my hair. I definitely always curl my hair first for this look. You could probably wear it with straight hair. I just feel like braids always go really pretty with curled hair because it just has that nice wave to it and everything like that. So today, I already curled my hair. I use my curling iron just because I feel like I can do it a little bit quicker. I'm using this little bristle comb brush. Anything that has a pick, that way you can really get your part nicer. But then I like this bristly brush just so I can get some added tease in underneath as I create the braid. So first up, basically you want to create the path of your hair. So I'm just going to move all of it over to the side. I'm just going to go in with the pick, then end, and I'm going to create a part across the front portion of my head, basically splitting it from the back half of your hair to the front half. After you get it split, I just go in and I put the back half of the hair in a ponytail just so it gets held back out of the way. Now, I'm going to go in and I'm going to tease all of this to add some extra lift so it can have a little bit more height. So all I'm going in doing is back combing. I take section by section, and then on the underneath side, I go in and I back comb just towards the root. After you go in and back comb the underneath side, as you could just see, I just wanted to make it look smooth. So I just go over the front then just to kind of calm it down some. From here, you start creating the braid. So if you're not that great at braiding, this might feel a little tricky as far as just because you're going sideways across your face pretty much. So it takes a little bit with figuring out which way to overlap, everything like that, I'm not gonna lie. But just keep trying, keep playing with it, and I promise it'll feel easier after you do it a few times. It's just a small section, as you can see, and you split it into 3 parts. And then I'm taking the frontmost part first, and I'm going to cross that over the middle. When you bring that middle piece forward, you just take a little section from the front portion of the hair. And then you take the middle towards the back, and you take a section from the back half and pick it up with your fingers. Bring the middle section forward, gather, and then towards the back. Now, once you get to the other side and you've gathered all of your hair, you have a few options. So I like to just continue braiding a little bit. You could finish braiding all of this out, and you could wrap, if you want to keep your hair in the ponytail, you could take this all the way back and wrap it around your pony, anything like that. Putting it up in a messy bun would be really cute too. My typical go-to style, what I'm going to show you today, is that after I get done braiding slightly, I just take it behind my ear, and I'm not going to pin it yet. I'm going to start to pull some of this out to loosen it up, and then I just bobby pin it right behind my ear. So to loosen it up, all I'm doing is taking my fingers in the braid and I'm pulling against my fingers over here. That way it creates a looser braid and you can just go in section by section and pull apart what you feel you want. And here is my front crown braid. So as you can see, it's just kind of supposed to be like a messy pull apart type of braid. I like it with like the wispies and just kind of looks kind of like wind blown type effect. I think it just looks really cute and just like kind of romantical. If you have questions about how I created this style, just let me know down below and I will try to help you out. That way you can recreate this for your own look one day. Oh, also, totally not on the hair, but I just want to talk to you about this new lipstick that I'm using. It's by Bite. I just got this one given to me and it is in the shade Meringue. It's like a really pretty color for spring, especially coming up. It's just a really soft nude kind of peach undertone color, and it's what I'm wearing now. The only thing I added to it was a lip liner because I really like the look of a lined lip. This is just a Ben and I lip liner and it's in the shade Salsa Nude Mauve Peach liner. So similar to the Meringue, but just a little bit more of a rose undertone to it and a little bit darker. That way they can outline the lip. I always do a little bit darker liner and then have the lipstick just a little bit like a shade lighter. If you enjoyed this hair tutorial on the front crown braid today, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you do subscribe. That way you always see everything I bring to you. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell. That way you are always notified every time I upload a video. I will try to write down the steps in how I created this down below as well, because I know some people like to read it step by step versus watching. So I'll try to do both for you. That way it's really convenient. But until next time, friends, I will see you all then. Bye.